What's going on, YouTube and the rest of the world? Cuts by Reggie back with another tutorial. Today we just have a nice quick video on I guess we could say on the lineup as well, but the main focus is and will be the Tomb45 Color Enhancement black and brown coloring. Yeah. When I am doing my lineups, of course I like to start with the vertical bars I've said before. And you know, you like to keep the line as natural as you can, but sometimes you do have to go into the line. It's not necessarily a pushback, but we are going into that line just a bit to get that sharpness, that crispiness. Somebody tell me to get out the way, please.
Premiumbeat.com.
And when I am doing my lineups, when you get to these curved parts, you want to make sure that you're using the corner of your blade. It helps getting them curves into the beard, or you doing the C cups, or you just going around the neck. It just helps to use the corner of that blade. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I am switching between two different trimmers. I mean, they're both T-outliners, but one is sharper than the other. The sharpest one I don't like to use on the neck, so as you can see here, I'll just switch to a different trimmer. You know, it kind of helps. You don't want to irritate anyone's neck. Everybody's skin is different.
Premiumbeat.com.
We're just getting the line up together. Again, as you can see, using the corner of that blade, make sure that we get that C cup looking right. You want to be able to get a line up the way you want it before you add enhancements. Enhancements should only do that. It should enhance them. Even with the color pencil, I like to use it, make it pop out a little bit more, but it's only added to the lineup after you can get it how you want it to look beforehand. And a quick tip on using the magic pencil, you don't want to actually touch the hair when you going across the hair. You want to come right into it, right in front of it, where it leaves you enough room to just hit that line. You just want to make it pop. You're not giving a whole nother lineup once you're going into it again with the razor or the trimmer. And as you can see here, Tomb45 black and brown coloring. And this is a SeanCutsHair card, also made by Tomb45. It would not zoom in, but I'll leave a link for both of those products in the description. SeanCutsHair, the card, it's amazing. As you will be able to see, it helps with that lining and it's just keeping everything in order. Maybe we'll see it when I get to the other side, but you want to just spray it at an angle a little bit when you're spraying it. You don't want to get directly on it. You want to be a couple inches back so it's not looking, you know, too caked on. You don't want it to shine too much, or at least I don't want it to shine too much on my clients unless they want it that way. But I like to be at least 3-4 inches back a little bit, just so you can just get in that the little bit of spray on it rather than just caking it on. As you can see, the card, it gives you every angle that you want to go into with lining it up with the color spray, with the air gun. And like I said, a couple inches away from the head. You don't want to spray too much. Just kind of misting it. Mist. I said it right. He likes to curl the top, so right here we'll be using a bourbon spice. It's actually a conditioner. It's like a leave-in conditioner from Hunter 1114 that I like to put in. It just really give it some moisture. It's not nothing too thick. I don't like to use the thick grease for the sponge. I like to keep it as soft as possible.
PremiumBeat.com.
Coming together. Yeah, he sees what's going on.
PremiumBeat.com. PremiumBeat.com.
And here's the finished product. I appreciate everybody for watching. Just a quick video lineup, color enhancements. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment below. Maybe you see something I've done wrong, maybe you see something I've done right.